Business ethics. Our morals and character play a huge role in how we are perceived by others, and the same thing applies to our businesses. Business ethics can create a unique perception in the mind of a company's customers, employees, investors, and the general public. Interest in business ethics accelerated dramatically during the 1980s and the 1990s, both within major corporations and in academia. For example, most major corporations today promote their commitment to non-economic values under headings such as ethic codes and social responsibility charters. An organization's approach to business ethics is the foundation upon which brands are built. This approach can shape business investors' and customers' perception of a business. Therefore, developing the right set of business ethics is essential for business growth and can only be achieved by understanding the fundamentals of the concept. Maintaining an ethical status is the responsibility of the manager of the business. Managing ethical behavior is one of the most pervasive and complex problems facing business organizations today. What is the term business ethics? Business ethics, also known as corporate ethics, is a form of applied ethics or professional ethics that examines ethical principles and moral or ethical problems that can arise in business environments. It applies to all aspects of business conduct, and it is relevant to the conduct of individuals and entire organizations. These ethics originate from individual organization statements or the legal system. These norms, values, ethical and unethical practices are the principles that guide a business. Importance of business ethics. Business ethics ensure that companies operate according to applicable laws. This maintains the company's respect among its peers and customers and protects it from legal liability. A company's ethics also helps it attract quality team members. Businesses that care for their teams according to the highest ethical standards are often attractive to job seekers. Ethical treatment can also increase employees' retention and reduce hiring and training costs. Business ethics help businesses make sound ethical decisions and also help them to build trust with their customers. Business ethics are also important in building relationships between a business and clients. A business with a defined and transparent operational system that treats its customers well usually develop a long-standing relationship with customers. This makes it easier for consumers to trust the business and its products or services. Business ethics also helps to maintain business reputations among investors who look for transparency in a company's dealing. Principles of business ethics. Accountability. Accountability means businesses taking full responsibility for their actions or practices. This includes any bad decision taken or unethical business practices followed during business operations. Mutual respect. Mutual respect must be maintained between business owners, employees, and customers. Businesses need to ensure a safe working space for employees and encourage a respectful relationship between all stakeholders. Honesty. Transparent communication between business owners and employees is much desired. These characteristics help build trust and establish a relationship between employees and the businesses. Transparency is also applicable to business relationship with its customers. Healthy competition. Businesses should encourage healthy competition in their workforce and reduce conflict of interest to a minimum among employees. Loyalty and respect for commitment. All disagreements between businesses and employees should be resolved internally away from the eyes of the public. Employees are to stay faithful to upholding the business vision and promoting business brands. Businesses are also to stay faithful to agreements with employees. Businesses unreasonably interpreting agreements or not respecting commitment is considered unethical in business practice. Information transparency. Important information communicated among a business's customers, employees, or partners is to be provided comprehensively. This includes both positive and negative information, terms and conditions, or any other crucial information, as it is against business ethics to withhold or hide relevant facts. Respect for the rule of law. Corporate laws, rules, and regulations guiding business practices are to be respected and abided by, as any flouting of such laws is considered unethical.